Today we are going to know how to remove a copyright. To remove a YouTube copyright claim, first check the claim. Go to YouTube Studio and see the contents, copyright section to see details of the claim. Second, trim or mute the content. Use the tube's editor to remove or replace the copyrighted part. Third, replace music. Use YouTube's free audio library to swap copyrighted music. Fourth, dispute the claim. If you own the content, have a permission, or believe it's a fair use, submit a dispute through YouTube Studio. Fifth, contact the owner. Request permission or a license to use their content. Sixth, re-upload carefully. Edit and remove any copyrighted material before uploading again. Seventh, use copyright-free content. Use royalty-free music, images, and videos to prevent future claims. And always follow YouTube's policies to avoid channel strikes. Thank you.